Hello and welcome to Chemistry Visualized. Today we're looking at how to draw resonance structures, and in this case we're looking at naphthalene. Naphthalene is an aromatic compound that contains two rings, six-membered rings fused together. So we call that a bicyclic compound because it has two cyclic rings. And then you have double bonds that are conjugated. Conjugated means you have alternating double and single bonds. In order to draw the resonance structure, we're going to focus on one ring and then move the double bond. And because we are moving a double bond which has two electrons, we use what's called full-headed arrow. So we'll start with this double bond and move it there using a full-headed arrow because two electrons are moving. And then that will give the first resonance structure. Now I'm going to redraw the naphthalene, and then because we are only focused on the first ring, nothing happens on the second ring. We move the double bond to here, then that will force this other double bond to move to this position and this other one to move there. So you end up with the double bond at these positions, and that will be your second resonance structure. Remember, we use a double-headed arrow to show resonance. This is called a resonance arrow. And again, you can generate another resonance structure, this time round by moving this double bond to the next ring, and then the other double bond moves to that position and this one moves to that position, and now you end up with a double bond at this position, and this position. And as a result, we end up with three resonance structures. The more the number of resonance structures, the more stable the aromatic compound is. That's because the electron density is delocalized all over the structure, is shared or distributed among many atoms in the structure. And that ends up reducing the energy, making the structure more stable. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed this presentation, please subscribe.